Good afternoon, all. I will tell you the story of a short story entitled The Story of Bag by Ralph Templer. So, the story is about some kids in the village of Kirtipur who spend their days taking care of their sheep, while also having fun making clay statues. One day they get this idea to make a clay tiger, but they need some leaf to help finish it. So they head to the nearby forest to gather the leaf they need. When they come back, their sheep are gone. The kids start freaking out and getting confused. They even begin thinking something crazy like, what if the clay tiger we met suddenly came to life and ate our sheep? Because of that strange event, people start telling stories and legends about a guardian tiger, which later becomes the origin of the bag by Ralph Templer. My point of view about this short story has a simple but fun adventure vibe, even though it's just about some kids who look after their sheep and make clay statues. The moment their sheep suddenly disappear, the whole story becomes mysterious and interesting. We also feel that the story shows how children's imagination can turn ordinary moments into something magical. The kids immediately think that the clay tiger statue might have come to life and eaten their sheep, even though it's really just their fear talking. But what's cool is that this imagination becomes the start of the bag by Ralph legend, which later becomes part of the local culture and belief. In a way, the story teaches us that big legends or tradition can come from something small and simple. The imagination and curiosity of children can create stories that stay alive for generations. And then, why I recommend this short story for all? Because in my opinion, it has a simple charm that really sticks with you. From the beginning, the story brings us into the everyday life of the village kids, how they take care of their sheep, play around and use their imagination to create clay statues. It feels warm, innocent, and easy for anyone to relate to. Even though the story is short, it still manages to build curiosity and tension, especially when the sheep suddenly disappear. That moment makes you wonder what actually happened, and that's what keeps the story interesting. Another reason I recommend this story is because it carries a meaningful message. It shows how children's imagination can turn into something much bigger, something that eventually becomes part of a community's culture and belief. Small events from the past can grow into legends that the people later respect and pass down. To me, this shows how powerful creativity can be and how strong the impact of story is in human life. This isn't just a simple folk tale, it's also a reminder of how tradition and legends are born. born. I also think this story is worth recommending because it's easy to read and doesn't drag on. It's perfect for anyone who wants a short, light but meaningful story. Kids can enjoy it because it sparks their imagination, while teenagers and adults can appreciate the mystery, the cultural background, and the message behind it. It fits all ages and doesn't require heavy thinking, which makes it very accessible. What I personally like is how the story builds its mystery in a soft, chill-like way. It's not a dark or scary kind of mystery, more like the kind of fear that comes from a child's imagination that gives the story a warm but exciting feel. Plus, it opens up conversation about culture, legends, and how people in the past tried to explain strange or unexplainable events through storytelling. Overall, I recommend this full tale to people because it's not only entertaining but it also carries cultural value, creative imaginations, and meaningful lessons that readers of all ages can enjoy. So that was a little review from me. I apologize if there is any unclear pronunciation. I hope you enjoy and thank you for listening.